RV. Did you guys notice my background? Did you notice where I'm at? I'm actually in my RV in Missouri. We're speaking at the Kansas City RIA. It's called the Mid-American RIA. Tomorrow night I'm speaking there. And we just moved into our RV. This is our first trip out. We went to Wisconsin last week. I spoke at the Wisconsin RIA, and then we came over down here to Missouri, and we are going to speak at this RIA. And then we're going to Lake of the Ozarks. Have y'all been to Lake of the Ozarks before? I have never been to Lake of the Ozarks. And then also we're going to go to Branson. I've never been to Branson before. In fact, I've had no like, really like want or anything to go to either of those. But everybody says Lake of the Ozarks is beautiful. So we're going to go check it out. We're going to do a vacation for a couple of weeks. And then we're going to go to Charlotte. And I'm going to speak in Charlotte. And then I'm going to do an infill. I'm going to be doing if anybody from Charlotte, I'm going to do an infill training day in Charlotte. And I talked to a guy named Jamie, and he's like, please do infill training day for my group. So we're going to do infill training day. And I'm going to speak there at his session. I'm really excited. And then after that, we have to be out of our apartment by October 9th. That is the last day that we have an apartment. And we are going to be living in this RV full time and traveling around, just hanging out and just kind of doing whatever. I've gotten my business down to 2 days a week. So now Mondays and Tuesdays are my work days, and the rest of the time is like just chilling with my daughter, hanging out. Her name is Lillian. And we're kind of doing a role reversal. Over the last like 4 or 5 years, I've really worked more of the time, and my husband has been doing like more Lillian stuff, watching Lillian, and really kind of taking on a role of being the stay-at-home dad and managing the facilities. That's what he did, right? So up till now, 8 facilities, almost 1,000 doors. He could stay home with Lillian, and he can be stay-at-home dad, manage Lillian. She can't manage Lillian, that's for sure. Manage the facilities, take care of Lillian. Like now our goal is to buy 10 to 20 more facilities within the next couple of months. We've been gearing up internally to be able to do this. And so we're kind of flipping roles now. I'm going to stay with Lillian and take care of her and work just a couple days a week. And then he is going to manage to grow and scale Miss Lillian self-storage. And we're trying to really kind of just hone in on the management part of that. And actually, Pete is the best person to do that. I'm a teacher. I'm good at telling people what to do, but I'm not good at like doing work. Actually, I'm really not good at doing work. So he's the worker. So he's going to do that. So over the course of the next year, our fund is going to be launched. So we're in the process of doing a 506c Reg D fund. Does anybody know what a 506c Reg D fund is? Put into the chat if you know what this is. We have the 506c Reg D fund that's going to be launched within the next couple of weeks, right? So y'all could check it out once it's launched, and y'all could invest in it, right?